Hey guys, welcome to Forex School. Today we will discuss about the pound USD. This is a daily chart, and you can see that market is in a strong upward trend. Is going up. One candle we cannot analyze that it's upward trend, but right now the current. What we will do, we will wait the market to come that level. Once it comes that level, and then draws some it makes some price action and confirm us that it is going down, then based on that price action we will take our short entry. If I take a short entry here, then my first target will be this one, and the second target will be this one. And if in case that market doesn't bounce back and break that point, then I will wait the market to come back and test this level. And if I go buy position at that level, then my target I have to go back again to weekly chart, and I will draw my target line somewhere here, and that will be my target point for if I go to the buy. But for to go to the buy signal, I need to see that market clearly break that point, and then I will wait for come back to market here and draw some price action, and then it will go back. So in that scenario, I will, based on the price action, I will take some entry. And uh, there are some cases, or there is some possibility that market doesn't come back at that level. If it break, it can go directly to that level. In that case, I will miss the bus, and I will not able to take that trade, and which is fine. You don't have to take each and every trade. Some trades you will miss, but don't be in rush. Be patient and wait for the market to test your levels like a support or resistance. And on the support and resistance, once your system gives you buy signal or sell signal, or if you are working on a price action, then you see the price action to confirm that market is going to the direction where you are expecting, then you go to that trade. If there is no signal, or if there is no retest, then don't go hurry and don't trade uh, only because you have to trade. No, sometimes uh, some maybe many days, maybe a week, maybe couple of week, maybe a month, you don't trade. You don't see any setup, and you wait until the market makes you some confirmation. I hope you enjoyed this video. So see you in next video.